How's it going? If you're looking there, I'm trying to log into my Twitch here. I'm streaming on YouTube and Twitch here tonight, and I'm not just trying to log into Twitch, but I can't find my password. For fuck's sake. That's it. Okay. Let me see if I'm live. Am I? I am. How's it going, everybody? Katie, Carly Ann, Jack, how are you getting on? What's the story? Everyone having a good time? A good Sunday evening or afternoon, wherever you're from. Password 123. How did you know? How did you know? I wouldn't be far off that there. All right. So I'm just going to jump on here for about an hour again here this evening. I enjoyed the last few ones that I did, and I seem to be only have the time to be jumping on the Sunday. And I don't think there's anyone else streaming on any of the crew, the normal crew that you be watching. Freezing cold here today. What kind of temperature over there is it, Carly? It was 1 degrees here in Dublin, and that's very cold for us, you know. Very cold. Who's living in the coldest place here? Let's see if we can get a winner for the coldest viewer. 1 degrees anyway is pretty, as I said, it's pretty cold here for Dublin. Actually, earplugs working in my office. We'll jump in and chat when I can, when I enjoy the music. Paddy, don't get fired anyway, whatever you do. Enjoy and listen as well. I'll try and do little talking and a bit more music. Says the man who gets up and walks away. Right, okay, we're good. Are we? Oh, no. So, did you enjoy the stream last night? Did you enjoy the Finn stream? We had a great time. It was a great old stream. We really enjoyed it there. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this stream, if you're passing by, if you just dropped in, how are you getting on? My name is Kieran. I'm going to be singing a few songs from you here from my little studio in the heart of Dublin. In the Liberties in Dublin is where I am. And there's a couple of sweet rappers couple of celebrations from last night. Right, so I definitely have enough in. We don't get much more than this anyway. But right, so we missed last night. Trish, we missed you last night. I missed last night. But listen, during the week, there's no panic. There's no panic. It was only the usual messing. So I don't know what I'm going to start off with. We'll find out. Okay. If any requests or something like that to start off with. Loving the beanie. This is an old Christmas hat I got. I was wearing the High Stool Prophets hat beanie last night, and I've got loads of hats on. I don't really wear them, so even though it's roasting, but this is a great old Christmas hat. I don't know where I got it from. 3 degrees, minus 3 degrees Celsius. Jesus, Katie, that's cold. Okay. My son Connor loved the shout out. That's fantastic, Jack. That's brilliant. And do you know what? I remember you telling me that he loved songs with whiskey in it. So why don't I give him another shout out and do Whiskey in the Jar for him? Okay, so let me do that one for Connor. Jack Whitefoot's son. You can let me know what the sound is like there as well. It feels like it's a bit too loud, but maybe it's not. You can let me know. As I was going over the Cork and Kerry mountains, I met a Captain Farrell, and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol, then produced my rapier. I said, stand and deliver, though you are the bold deceiver. Just a ring dama do dama da. Whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. But I took all of his money, and it made a pretty penny. I stuck it in me pocket, and I brought it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that never would she leave me. But the devil take them women, for you know they can't be easy. So ring dama do dama da. Whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Well, I went up to me chambers for to take a slumber. Dreamt of gold and jewels, and sure it was no wonder. But Jenny drew me charges, and she filled them up with water. And she sent for Captain Farrell to get ready for me slaughter. Mustering dama do dama da. Whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. 'Twas early in the morning, before I rose to travel. Up came a troop of soldiers, likewise Captain Farrell. I first produced my pistol, but she stole away my rapier. But I couldn't shoot the water, so for prisoner I was taken. Mustering dama do dama da. Whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Yo! Now some men take delight in the carriages a rolling, and some men take delight in a hurling and a bowling. But me, I take delight in the juice of the barley, and courting sexy women in the morning, bright and early. What's the ring, namadoo, namada? Whack for me, daddy-o. Whack for me, daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. If anyone can save me, is his brother in the army. If I can find his station in Cork or in Rathdowney, and if he goes with me, we go roving through Kilkenny. It's sure to treat me better than me darn a sporting Jenny. What's the ring, namadoo, namada? Whack for me, daddy-o. Whack for me, daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. What's the ring, namadoo, namada? Whack for me, daddy-o. Whack for me, daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. Thank you very much. Whiskey in the jar. Oh my God, that sounded loud. I don't know. Does it sound alright? Sounds pretty loud. I just turned it down a bit anyway. Must be Santa. I'll follow you into the dark. I'll do that one for you. The first time in a long time last week, but I'll get the words for it there now. I'm still learning it, relearning it. Good stuff. Yasmin, how are you getting on? Zach Moran, the mighty Zach Moran, the multi-talented maniac. Yeah, Zach always continues to surprise me every time I watch him play. An amazing musician. So guys, if you just join us, how are you getting on? I'm going to try this one here for you. I'll follow you into the dark. Let me see. I need to get the words to this one here. Here we are. That'll do. Okay. I'll make all glasses for this one here. Let's see what's it. Okay, I'm sorry. Still hard to see, but I think I'll get away with it. Love of mine, someday you will die, but I'll be close behind. I'll follow you into the dark. No blinding light, no tunnels through gates of white, just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the hint of a spark. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose under vacancy signs, that there's no one beside you when your soul embarks. Then I'll follow you into the dark. In Catholic schools, as vicious as Roman rule, I got my knuckles bruised by a lady in black, and I held my tongue as she told me, son, fear is the heart of love, so I never went back. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose under vacancy signs, if there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. Everything to see from Bangkok to Calgary, and the soles of our shoes are all worn down. The time for sleep is now. There's nothing to cry about, 'cause we'll hold each other soon in the blackest of moons. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose under vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose under vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. Then I'll follow you into the dark. Thank you very much. I will follow you into the dark. That's from a band called Death Cab for a Cutie. And it's a sad song, that one there. Lovely stuff. Thank you very much. Greetings from Germany, Electriga. Good stuff. Thank you very much. Everything's sounding okay, and I would love to hear if I did that one already. Good stuff. So guys, keep popping in the request there, and if I know the song, I'll do it for you. I had a few picked out there, and that I was gonna try. I did try to learn a couple of ones from that was requested last week, but I didn't. What do you think of that? I didn't do it at all. Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll do a song here called Sally Brown. This is a nice old sea shanty. It's a class song, one of my favourite old sea shanties to do. I'm going to do this with the harmonica as well, if I can find it. Jeez. It's warm with the old beanie. B flat will do. Yeah. Well, Sally Brown is a nice young lady. Way, hey, roll and go, and we rolled all night, and we rolled all the day. I spent my money along with Sally Brown. She's tall, she's dark, she's not too shady. Way, hey, roll and go, and we rolled all night, and we rolled all the day. I spent my money along with Sally Brown. Well, I shipped on board of a Liverpool liner. Way, hey, roll and go, and we rolled all night, and we rolled all the day. I spent my money along with Sally Brown. three-legged captain. Way, roll and go, and we rolled all night, and we rolled all the day. Spent my money along with Sally Brown. Well, Sally wouldn't marry, so I shipped across the water. Way, roll and go, and we rolled all night, and we rolled all the day. I spent my money along with Sally Brown. Well, now I'm courting Sally's daughter. Way, roll and go, and we rolled all night, and we rolled all the day. I spent my money along with Sally Brown. Well, Sally Brown is a nice young lady. Way, roll and go. She drinks stock rum and she chews tobacco. Way, roll and go, and we rolled all night, and we rolled all the day. I spent my money along with Sally Brown. Yeah, and we rolled all night, and we rolled all the day. I spent my money along with Sally Brown. Yep. Thanks very much, Sally Brown. Was a nice young laddie. Thank you very much. All right, I'm gonna do a song here. It's a Christy Moore song, but Christy Moore didn't write it, and I've done it in a while. A song called "Ordinary Man." Christy Moore is famous for making songs famous. Does that make sense? All right, see if I remember this one, because I have to read the words for it, but I should be able to get it. I should be able to remember it. So I'm here drinking a bit of hot whiskey. I know it's not the right whiskey thing for it, but good. It's good. And if you just joined in on Twitch, how are you getting on? Let us know where you're from. If you've not been here before, I think it's rare that I get a drop in or a walk in into the stream. All right, so this one is a song called "Ordinary Man." I'm an ordinary man, nothing special, nothing grand. I had to work for everything I own. I never asked for a lot, I was happy with what I've got, enough to keep my family and my home. But now the times are hard, and they've handed me my card, and they say there's not the work to go around. And when the whistle blows, the gates will finally close, Tonight they're gonna shut this factory down, and I'll tear it down, and I'll tear it down. Well, I never missed a day, went and strike for better pay. For 20 years I gave the best I could. With a handshake and a check, it's not easy to forget the loyalty through the bad times and the good. Now the owner says he is sad to see that things have got so bad, but the captains of industry won't let them loose. And he still smokes a big cigar, and he drives a brand new car, and still he takes his family on a cruise. They'll never lose, he'll never lose. Well, now it seems to me such a cruel irony. He's richer than he ever was before, and now me check is spent, and I can't afford the rent. One law for the rich, one law for the poor. And every day I try to salvage some of my pride, that I might find some work to pay my way. But everywhere I go, the answer's always no. There's no work here for anyone today. No work today. No work today. No work today. Now here condemned I stand, just an ordinary man, like the thousands here before me in the queue. And I watch me darling wife trying to make the best of life. God knows what the kids are going to do. And now that we are faced with this human waste, a generation cast aside, for as long as I live, I never will forgive. Well, they've stripped me of my dignity and pride. Well, they've stripped me bare. 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 Thanks very much, Ordinary Man. What? Well, I was doing the wrong chord there somewhere. That's the one. There we go. I should have just went for it. Just way hey. Nice one. Okay. I hope you're enjoying your evening, guys. If I ever leave this world alive, right? I'll do that one. Do that one for you, Paddy. Keep off that keyboard, or you'll be sacked. Right. If I ever leave this world alive. If I ever leave this world alive, I thank you for the things you did in my life. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, I'll come back down and sit beside your feet tonight. Wherever I am, you'll always be more than just a memory. If I ever leave this world alive, if I ever leave this world alive, I thank you for the things you did in my life. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, all the madness that you feel will soon subside. So in a word, don't shed a tear. I'll be here when it all gets weird. Well, if I ever leave this world alive. So when in doubt, just call my name just before you go insane. Well, if I ever leave this world, hey, I may never leave this world, but if I ever leave this world alive, she said, well, I'm okay, I'm alright, though you have gone from my life. You said that it would, now everything should be alright. Oh, now she said, well, I'm okay, I'm alright, though you have gone from my life. You said that it would, now everything should be alright. Yeah, we should be alright. Yeah, we should be alright. If I ever leave this world alive, I thank you for the things you did in my life. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, I'll come back down and sit beside your feet tonight. Wherever I am, you'll always be more than just a memory. Well, if I ever leave this world, hey, I may never leave this world, but if I ever leave this world alive, well, if I ever leave this world alive. Thank you very much. If I ever leave this world alive. Nice one. I'm going to try this one here. This is a song we had to do for a wedding during the summer, and I said I'd start doing it some of the sets, and I haven't done it, and I don't want it to go out on my head. So this might be, it's a Bruce Springsteen song, and I just don't want to forget it because it's a lovely song. I'm not too sure how popular this one is. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't. But let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can do it. Free Mind. I might try Free Mind for you. I might try the old. I might try it in a lower key there. Let me see. Do I have anything? Yeah, maybe. Let's try it. I might try it there for you in a bit there, Maria. Paddy, you're the boss. You can sack yourself. Jesus. Not too bad. I'm my own boss too. And I lost my job. I'm a useless boss. All right, nice one. Okay, right, so I'll do this one here. This is a bit of Bruce Springsteen. And yeah, we learned it for a wedding, and that was a good few months ago. So haven't done it since. Well, let's see if I can get it. We said we'd walk together, baby, come what may. That come the twilight, should we lose our way. If as we're walking, a hand should slip free, I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. We swore we'd travel, darling, side by side. We'd help each other stay in stride. But each lover's steps fall so differently. But I'll wait for you, and should I fall behind, wait for me. Now everyone dreams of love lasting and true, but you and I know what this world can do. So let's make our steps clear, that the others may see. And I'll wait for you, and should I fall behind, wait for me. Now there's a beautiful river in the valley ahead. There 'neath the oak's bough, soon we will be wed. And should we lose each other in the shadow of the evening trees, well, I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. Darling, I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. Yeah, I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. I'll wait for you. Should I fall behind, wait for me. Thanks very much. That's a song called Should I Fall Behind, Wait For Me. I think that's what it's called anyway. Gremlins. Alright, let's do Gremlins for Ivana. Okay. How's that? Is that alright for you? Same as nice one. Ivana loves the old 80s, cheesy 80s stuff there. Alright, okay, I'll do Free Mind for you here. Just gotta change something over here for a second. Okay, so let's see how far I get with Free Mind here. Nothing is free now but my mind. I long to see you again, the day or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. Silence breaks free now of my mind. I long to see you again, the day or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. And as we grow older and apart, things just never seem to go right. Now that I've fallen, crawling down on my grace hands and knees, to picture you softly is a sin I never want to confess. Not in this lifetime, my time well spent. And nothing is free now but my mind. I long to see you again, the day or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. Silence breaks free now of my mind. I long to see you again, the day or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. We took our time, we figured out it wasn't right to scream and shout. The path that you've chosen, frozen down on my bruised, battered skin. You held your chin, you made a fist, you walked away. You were sorely missed. The road is yours, baby. Maybe I'll come too. Nothing is free now but my mind. I long to see you again, the day or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. The silence breaks free now of my mind. I long to see you again, the day or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. Nothing is free now but my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It's gotta be tomorrow. It won't be so bad. The silence breaks free now of my mind. I long to see you again, today or tomorrow. It won't be so bad. Silence breaks free now, and I'm fine. Thanks very much. Free Mind there is an old song I wrote when I was 16. And kind of a lovey-dovey kind of song about love I had not experienced yet, I guess. But what I probably thought was like. Anyway, nice one. Lovely stuff. Thank you, Jack. Good stuff. Oh, but Jesus, Owen Finn is in. Owen is over there in the west of Ireland there. The brother, he's my brother, by the way, in case you didn't know, because there's loads of Finns knocking around in these streams. But Owen is your brother over there, and working hard on the wind turbines there, fixing them and all that kind of stuff, and the mechanical side of it, and then the electronic side of it there as well. And he gets all fancy laptops and stuff there to work on them remotely and all that stuff. While he's in the pub, you know. Anyway, so Owen, do you have any requests there? While you're sitting down relaxing, or are you in Clare right now, or are you in County Laois? No bother. Great stuff, Maria. Oh, nice one. Okay, right. Pop in a request, and I'll look at my my set list here. Do I have anything? I'll do my Heart Tonight's in Ireland this week, County Clare. There you go, for Owen. If you really want something else, just no schnitters. Well, in the town of Scariff, the sun was shining in the sky when Willie Clancy played his pipes, and the tears welled in my eye. Many years have passed and gone since the time that we had there, and my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet Milltown Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, but nothing can compare. And my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. That August in Kilrush, when the rain was lashing down, and our hotel was a hay barn on the outskirts of town. We were all sick and feverish, and Dolan had the flu. But Johnny produced some whiskey, and the sun came smiling through. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet Milltown Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, but nothing can compare. But my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. There's nights in 6 Mile Bridge when the songs and music flowed, and when it came to closing time, sure the lights were turned down low. And the sergeant from Kilkishen, he would buy us all one more, and we never left the pub until the clock was striking 4. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet Milltown Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, but nothing can compare. And my heart tonight's in Ireland, in a sweet county Clare. Hinchin and his diamond, Liscannor and Kilkee, but best of all was Milltown, when the music flowed so free. Willie Clancy and the county Clare, I'm forever in your debt, for the sight and sound of yesteryear, they're shining memories yet. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet Milltown Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, but nothing can compare. But my heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. In the days of Sweeney, in the sweet county Clare. Thank you very much. My heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. Did I get that one to Owen over there, fixing the old wind turbines and living it up in the Banner County. That's all right, don't mean to be gulping across the microphone there. All right, I'll do a really quick one here for you, or fast. This is a song called The Irish Rover. So it doesn't get requested too much. I love Andy Irvine too, Maria. And you know what? All of us, Owen loves him as well. And I don't know enough of his songs. And I was going to try and trying to get a few more of them there. And Paul Brady as well. I love both of them. Hugely inspirational. But I don't even know enough of their songs. But I'm going to try and get a few more. Them boys they're class now, but they were even class back when they were like, you know, fucking 20 and stuff. Let me get a nice chunky stomp here for you. Not too much, not too little. That's all right. Lord, 1806, we set sail from the sweet cove of Cork. We were bound far away with a cargo of bricks by the Grand City Hall in New York. 'Twas a wonderful craft, she was a rig fore and aft, and oh how the wild wind drove over. She stood several blasts, she had 27 masts, and they called her the Irish Rover. Well, we had Barney McGee from the banks of the Lee, we'd Hogan from County Tyrone. We had young Johnny McGurk, he was scared stiff of work, and your man from a Smeeth come alone. There was Slugger O'Toole, he was drunk as a rule, and fighting Bill Tracy from Dover. And your man Mick McCann from the banks of the Bann was the skipper and the Irish Rover. Had 1 million bags of the best Sligo rags. We had 2 million barrels of bone. We had 3 million sides of a blind horse's hides, with 4 million barrels of stone. We had 5 million hogs, with 6 million dogs, with 7 million barrels of porter. We had 8 million bales of O'Nanny goods tales in the hold of the Irish Rover. Yo! Well, we sailed several years when the measles broke out and the ship lost her way in the fog, and the whole of the crew was reduced down to 2. 'Twas myself and the captain's old dog. When the ship struck a rock, Lord, what a shock, and she near tumbled over. It turned 9 times around and the poor old dog was drowned. 1, 2, 3, and the last of the Irish Rover. Here we go. Well, I'm the last of the Irish Rover. Thank you very much, the Irish Rover. Oh my God, I'm bollocks after that one. Tired after that. It's hard to play that harmonic-y thing. Normally I have one that just sits on the microphone, and it's way easier. Grace. No, I can play Grace for you on there. No snares at all. The Plains of Kildare is absolutely class. How do you know that one? Fucked up. Finstream. I've never heard seen before. Called Performer. I think I saw that, Paddy. That, the documentary, is it, I think? But the Plains of Kildare is some crazy song. It's kind of like it's almost like a heavy metal and stuff there. It gets really into it, you know. Song. It goes into like 7/8 timing and stuff as well. I'll do Grace here for Owen. as we gather in the chapel here in Old Kilmainham Jail. I think about these past few weeks. Will they say we failed? From our school days we've been told that we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now I know it's hard for you, my love, to ever understand the love I have for these brave men, my love for this dear land. But when Porrick called me to his side down in the GPO, I had to leave my own sick bed. To him I had to go. Oh grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now as the dawn is breaking, my heart is breaking too. On this May morn as I walk out, my thoughts will be of you. And I'll write some words upon the wall, so everyone will know I love so much that I can see his blood upon the rose. Oh grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Oh grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn, for I must die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Thanks very much. That's a song there, Grace, for Owen over in the west of Ireland there. Give him a shout out there. He could be preparing for an early morning again tomorrow. And it's going to be cold up those wind turbines these days, I'd say, Owen, is it? Maybe the sea air is keeping it tepid enough, is it? I brought it on. All right, nice one. Paratune. Guten Abend. My mate Lockie from Six Mile Bridge sings it. 6 Mile Bridge. Who's your mate Lockie? Do I know Lockie? Do I know him? He introduced me. introduced this culturally starving Swede to Andy Irvine. Fair play to him there. Fair play to your man Lockie. Nice one. Okay. Hope to see you back in Norway someday, mate. Good stuff. Who's Mutiny 1? Who's that Mutiny? Who is that? Nico D is raiding with a party of 8. Ah, right, the guy from Floro. Class. How are you getting on, pal? Yeah, we're dying to go back there. We would have been back again in Floro this July, or last July just passed, and we couldn't. It didn't go ahead. Our contact Per, he was going to get us over there again, I think, but Kieran O'Loughlin, brilliant musician class. Tell you, he's probably better than me anyway, but he was from County Clare. Nice. Okay, leaving in Liverpool. Dunzo. I love this one, and I'm going to belt into it with the harmonica too. Maybe I'll do it in a different key. No, I'll do it in big key. Try and make the voice up a little bit here. Matthias, how are you getting on? I tuned into you see that guy Paratune there, and he jumped in on the stream last week, and he was streaming on Tuesday, and myself and Bowie were driving back from somewhere on Tuesday, back from Laois. We're working down there, so we're driving back from it, and it's about an hour and a half journey, and we had Matthias, he has streamed on Paratune, and it was flipping class. And he's got a big repertoire of songs, and he's using Twitch properly. You can put up song lists and stuff there, and I don't know how it works, but I have to try and make time to try and figure it out there. But you can put up song lists, and people can choose from it. And anyway, check out his stream. Highly, highly entertaining, and he's a lovely fella. And he's always shown mad support for myself and the lads as well. So this is leaving Liverpool. This is Marie, or who's Christina? We're looking for this one. How are you getting on? And you didn't miss much when you joined in there. I told you. Well, so fare thee well, my own true love. I'm going far, far away. Now I'm bound for California, and I know I will return someday. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Well, I've sailed on board a Yankee ship, Davy Crockett, it was her name. And the captain of her, his name was Burgess, and they said that she's a floating shame. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Now the sun is in the harbour, love, and I wish I could remain, for I know it will be a long, long time before I'll see you again. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. So fare thee well, my own not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, my darling, when I think of thee. Thank you very much. Here's a song called Leaving Liverpool. All right, I'm going to go on to a slower one now next. Thank you, Nico. Mutiny Lakes Pontchartrain. Yeah, I requested Paratune to do that one there, and you know, and he did it for me. But Nico was looking for this one. Who's Nico? Do we know Nico? Who was it? Mutiny 1 was looking for it. Sorry, Mutiny 1. You're looking for it, okay. So I can't chicken out now in front of Matthias. So I better do Lakes of Pontchartrain. And he did an absolute class job of it. And I have been known to murder this one a lot. Do I even have the right words? It was on one. I don't even know. I don't have it. Give me a second here, and I'll find it. I know Maria likes this one as well. I do not have that. Okay, give me a second here and I'll find it. Whose words is the best here? Because the last time I sang this, it was missing a few verses. It was a Christy Paul Brady. I'll try the Paul Brady one. If you can bear with me here for a second. So many words in this bad boy. Okay, I got it. And I'm going to save it into my phone here for good. Okay. Let me get my glasses here as well. Okay, so bid New Orleans adieu. That's right, the lakes. Yeah, Paul Brady sings it. Paul Brady, I think, for me, he has the definitive version, Paddy. It's just absolutely class. It's a kind of deadly version of it. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I'll try E. It's faster than D. Let's try and see. Okay. I don't have Nancy Spain, Paddy. No. I wonder what it's like to do. I've done it with people there that know the words, and I've done the chords, and it was okay. But I'll have a look and see. But I'll do this one here first, anyway. It was on one bright March morning, I bid New Orleans adieu, and I took the road to Jackson Town, a fortune to renew. I cursed all foreign money, no credit could I gain, which filled my heart with a longing for the lakes of Pontchartrain. Well, I stepped on board a railway car beneath the morning sun, and I rode the rails till evening, till I laid me down again. All strangers, they're no friends to me, till a dark girl towards me came, and I fell in love with a Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. Now I said, my pretty Creole girl, me money here's no good, and if it weren't for the alligators, I'd sleep out in the wood. You're welcome here, kind stranger, our house is very plain, and we never turn out a stranger on the banks of Pontchartrain. Well, she took me to her mammy's house, and she treated me right well. The hair upon her shoulders in jet black ringlets fell. To try to paint her beauty could surely be in vain. So handsome was my Creole girl in the lakes of Pontchartrain. Well, I asked her if she'd marry me. She said this could never be, for she had a lover and he was out at sea. She said that she would wait for him, and faithful she would remain till he'd return to his Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. So fare thee well, my Creole girl, I never see you no more. But I'll never forget the kindness in the cottage by the shore, and at each social gathering a flowing bowl I'll drain, and I'll drink to the health of my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. And I'll drink to the health of my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. All right, an off-the-cuff version there of Lecture Pontchartrain for Mutiny One. No bother, no bother. You're very, very welcome. Very, very welcome. We've been swamped, rated. I don't know what that means. There's something about rating on Twitch with followers or something like that. I don't really know. And I suppose like passing followers over to people. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I'm in the middle of course you can, Nico. If I know the song, 100% I do it. And as I proved a few times before on these streams, that if I kind of know the song, I'll kind of do it. And if it sounds crap, then that's the risk you take. The raid when it's finished. I have to find out what the raid is. Yeah, I think it's like when someone's stream is finished, they can send it over to someone else or something like that. I brought my viewers to watch you with the raid when I finished. Class. Thank you so much, Nico. That's brilliant. That's really cool, man. Yeah, I can see 18 viewers there, which is probably 10 more than I'd be definitely used to anyway, for sure. Nice one. Fair play. Maria, thank you very much. And Tell Me Ma by Shamrock. I don't know the Shamrock version, but I can definitely do Tell Me Ma for you. Absolutely. And Christina as well. Thanks. You're very well for leaving Liverpool there. You're very welcome. All right, okay. I'll do Tell Me Ma. How about that? And I'll do it with a bit of harmonica as well for the and I'll do the what's the Shamrock version? I think the Shamrock version might be the fast one, isn't it? Any version, okay. Do the pub version. So you're very welcome there, the new people who are jumping onto the stream and having a look. And thank you very much for listening. And I hope you're enjoying it and all that kind of stuff. And so the people who are watching my stream anyway, if you can give those other guys a follow, I think there's some fantastic talent on here, and it's nice to branch out your musical feelers and have a listen around. And there's some fantastic stuff. And as I said, I watched Matthias Paratune, aka Paratune, on this thread here streaming, and he's fantastic there. And I haven't checked out Nico yet, but okay. Get back to, let me get some kind of techno beat here. No. Yeah, there's a couple of these. I don't like them. I'll go back to my old favorite here. Tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys only the girls alone. Pull my hair and start me comb. That's all I eat till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty. She's a belle of Belfast City. She is a Gordon 1, 2, 3. Please wanna tell me who is she? Well, Albert Nooney says he loves her. All the boys are fighting for her. Knock on the door and ringing a bell. Oh, me true love, are you well? Out she comes as white as snow. Rings on her fingers, bells on her toe. Aldony Morrissey said she died. She doesn't get the fella with the roving eye. Tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys only leave the girls alone. Pull my hair and stormy comb. That's all I eat till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty. She's the belle of Belfast City. She's a Gordon 1, 2, 3. Please wanna tell me who is she? And the star comes tumbling from the sky. She's as sweet as apple pie. She'll find her own man by and by. What she finds, the man of her own. She wants her man when she gets home. Let them all come as they will. This Albert Mooney she loves still. Tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. Pull my hair and stormy comb. That's all I eat till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty. She's the belle of Belfast City. She's a Gordon 1, 2, 3. Please don't tell me who is she. Alone, eh? Pull my hair and stormy comb. That's all I eat till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty. She's the belle of Belfast City. She is a Gordon 1, 2, 3. Please don't tell me who is she. Thank you very much. I'll tell me ma. Phew. Especially for Nico. D7777. Nice one, stuff there. Good one. Mighty Dancing won that one. Mighty Dancing won that one. Savage. Coolaboola. Alright, you keep the... Sorry, I don't know any German. Nico D, where are you from, pal? Trish, whoop, hop. It is very cool how Twitch connects people there for sure. Nice one. Caledonia. No, well, I'll do Caledonia. I'm going to do Galway Girl for you. If anyone else is any... so I'm over on YouTube as well. If anyone wants to request something on YouTube, you're fairly quiet over there. But if you're listening contently, or there's no bother. So here's Caledonia. Caledonia, hey. I need to just pick something over here. Okay, Caledonia was it's an old Scottish song written by Dougie MacLean, and it's Caledonia was the old word for Scotland. So I'm gonna wrap it up soon because I have a date with more whiskey basically, and and a bottle of prosecco and a couple of chocolates and a film. But I'm delighted to be able to get on here and sing a couple of songs myself on a Sunday, and if the Sunday is kind of free enough there from some of the other lads that are streaming, I'll jump on here, you know, like Stephen and stuff like that, and Sean sometime going there on a Sunday. You sent me a whisper. I don't know what that is, but I'm still learning about the old Twitch, Nico. Just love how he's adamantly sticking with the hat. Milk was a bad choice. Look at this. I am adamantly sticking with the hat. Or maybe I can get away with it. Maybe I'll get away with it. Maybe I'll go like that. There we go. How's that? My incredibly receding hairline. That's my superpower. If I was an X-Man, I would just show people my receding hairline. Yeah, okay, so Caledonia here. Well, I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me these past few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away. I've been telling old stories and singing songs that make me think about where I came from. And that's the reason why I feel so far away today. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Now I have moved, and I've kept on moving, and I've proven points that I needed proving. I've lost the friends that needed losing, found others on the way. Well, I've kissed the girls and I've left them crying. I've stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I've travelled far, coat is flying, somewhere with the wind. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. That Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Well, I'm sitting here before the fire, the empty rooms now, a forest choir. The flames have died, don't get any higher. They've withered now, they've gone. Well, I'm steady thinking, my way is clear, and I know what I will do tomorrow. Now the hands are shaken, and the kisses slowed, and I will disappear. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. That Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Caledonia, you're everything I've ever had. All right, thank you very much. Nice one. Also better, thank you very much. Catherine and Brian, how are you getting on? Clappies and hearts over there on YouTube. Very welcome. Good stuff. By the glow of the kerosene night. Okay. Nice one. Okay, I forgot about that song there for a little bit as well. And no sign of anything receding. I used to have hair. My hairline used to start just above my eyebrows, Maria, and this is what happened to it. Yeah. But I used to bleach my hair, bleach blonde, when I was for about three or 4 years in a row. So that's a lot of bleach going on there, and I think I did a lot of damage to my hair anyway. Okay, so I'm going to do this the kerosene light for you, and if anyone needs to hear anything after that, I'll squeeze something in. But this will be the last song for today's stream. Kerosene. Okay, and guys, thanks very much for listening. I really appreciate it. I'm just coming on here, kind of messing around, and I know it's not same as the Finn stuff and like that. So and I was entertaining and everything like that. But thanks for hanging around and listening and all that kind of stuff. And thanks to some of the new people there listening on YouTube and Twitch as well. Thanks, lads, for doing the raid with the followers and all that kind of stuff there as well. And let me know if I can I can help out you guys' streams there. I suppose if anyone watching there on Twitch there, if any of you guys there want to just let people know that you stream, I want people to follow you. I think it's free to follow. I think it's cost to subscribe, but you can follow people there. I don't really know how it works, to be honest. I'm not really sure, but I'm sure you can follow some people there and build up their followers there. They're good lads if they're friends of Matthias. So anyway, here's the kerosene light. It's a Canadian song. I remember the time when my granddad and I, we'd sit by the fire at night, and I listened for hours of how we once lived by the glow of the kerosene light. by the glow of the kerosene light. He said Mom and Dad sent me off to school, where I learned how to read and to write. And he listened for hours as I read from my books by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Your grandma and I, we were wed at 16. Lord, she was a beautiful sight. And proudly I placed the ring on her hand by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. About 1 year later, your daddy was born, and your grandma held my hand so tight. Oh, I can't tell the joy as she brought forth new life by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. But having her child, it did weaken her soul. She just wasn't up to the fight. For she looked so peaceful as she went to her rest by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Then as is now, the times they were hard. To succeed, you would try all your might. And sometimes love bloomed, and sometimes dreams died by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Well, I remember the time when my granddad and I, we'd sit by the fire at night, and I'd listen to stories of how we once lived by the glow of the kerosene light. 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 Thanks very much. That is it from me, guys. Thank you very much for tuning into this little stream. I hope you enjoyed it. And thanks to the new people there who tuned in. Much appreciated there for doing that raid thing. With a couple of followers there, it pumps it up an awful lot, and it makes it look great. No problem, Paddy. And you're not fired on the way there. Good stuff. So, I follow Nico. You better be good. No pressure, nothing there. Thanks. Thanks so much, Nico. Nico, I'm only learning. Nico, aren't we all? We're all only learning, pal. I can type into chat how to do a raid if you'd like. Do pop it in there, pal. Hope my friends are enjoying as much as I am. I hope so too. So thanks very much. It's how's Bang on the Ear coming along? Oh, Jesus. Paddy, I'm going to write that. I'm going to put that on my list right now. It's on it, but I'm going to put the lyrics up on top there as well, along with Paul O'Brien's song. And let me tell you how here. Nico, can you drop me like a private message or something there for with how to do it there if you want, or you can pop it in there. Type raid channel. All right, okay. You have to choose a channel to raid that you enjoy. Okay. Does that have to be live? Can I do it after, or does it have to be live as I'm doing it? And I'll do that. I'll do it. Okay. So guys, thank you very much again for listening. My name is Kieran, and I'll see you. I'm streaming from we're streaming here during the week, I think, as far as I know. I think we're streaming Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not sure. I'll have to check it out. Your returning a reading has to be live. Okay. How do I do that? Cool, man. Thanks very much, Parachune. I'll look into that raid thing, Nico, and I'll try and return the favour there as well, with the raid thing. And same with anyone else there that you guys there are listening. And Wednesday, thanks, Maria. We're on the Glasgow page. That's right, on Wednesday. So we'll be here on Wednesday at I think it's 8 or 9 o'clock or something like that. Playing a couple of Rebel songs and bits and pieces. So thanks very much, guys, and thanks for listening there. Thanks, Christina. You're very, very, very welcome. And everyone there on YouTube, Catherine, Owen, Osabello, Yasmin, who else there? Jack Whitefoot, Catherine, a few more there. Zach could have been still listening. Carly as well, and Katie Louise. I'm not too sure if you guys are still on there or you're going about your daily business, having a low listen there. But guys, thanks very much, and enjoy yourselves there. Thanks very much, Matthias and Mutiny and Nico, and Stream Palms as well there, pal. Thanks very much. Thanks for listening, and the rest of the guys, Maria and Paddy. Who else is on here? There's just not that many, so I can probably go through you. Let me see. I forgot Cowboy Girl. I'll do it for you next time, Nico. I know you were looking for that one. I forgot. Trish. Trish. Thanks very much. All right, I think that's it. Guys, enjoy. Electrica. I gotcha. Okay, too short. I got them all. I got you all. Right, guys, thank you very much. And